What do you see right now? Go.
I see my desktop with all the icons. I'm just sitting here having a bite to eat.
अरे उसको उड़ाओ ना पहले.
Okay, just give me a moment, sir. Okay.
Uh-huh.
What do you see right now on your screen, sir?
I just see the desktop with all of my icons. And somebody's moving my mouse. Oh, there's my desktop. I can see my cat now. And then it says the host has ended the remote session. The application will close.
The application will be closed, right?
Right.
Okay. Now, nobody can move your mouse, right?
Yeah, I can move my mouse now. Thank you for that.
Okay.
I'm able to move my mouse
Okay.
fine. Thank you.
So, sir, you want your refund money back? Is that correct?
Yes, please. I'd like that. I would like that.
You will like that, right?
I would like that a lot.